Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.3, question number 3. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a cone of the same height and same diameter is carved out. Find the volume of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter cube. Here, a cylinder of height 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Now here a cone of same radius with same height is carved out. That means the volume of remaining solid. Here first radius equal 1.4 divided by 2 equal 0.7 centimeter and height h equal 2.4 centimeter. Now the volume of remaining solid, equal volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Here volume of cylinder is pi r squared h minus volume of a cone is minus 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Here pi r squared h common 1 minus, because we are taking out pi r squared h as a common factor, minus 1 by 3, which is equal 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into pi r squared h. We'll put the value 2 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, or the radius is 0.7. We can write as 0.7 is 7 by 10, square is another 7 by 10, and the height is 2.4, that is 24 by 10. So we have 2 into the 1 7 is cut here, 2 into 22 is another 8 is cut with 24 is 8, 3 and 8 is there. Now 3 is 1 3s are 3, 24 is 4, 3 8s are 24. Now the balancing numbers are 2 into 22 is 44 and 7 into 6 is 56 over 1000. Here we'll do 56 into 44. 4 6 are 24, 2 carries, 4 5 are 20, 22, same 22, 4, 4, 6, 4, 2, which is equal 2464 divided by 1000 equal 2.464 centimeter cube, which is further we can do 2.46 approximately centimeter cube. That is the remaining volume of the solid. Question number 4. A solid consists of right circular cone of height 12 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 6 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water that it is touches the bottom. Find the volume of water displaced out of the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder 6 centimeter and height is 18 centimeter. Suppose cylinder have full of water, that cone and hemisphere a combining solid is put inside the water, so water displaced. So the volume of water displaced is nothing but the volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Therefore, first we'll write radius. Radius is common for all, which is equal, radius is 6 centimeter. Height of cone, let it be h1 equal, height of cone is here 12 centimeter. Then okay, and now radius, therefore volume of water displaced equal volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Now we'll use this. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h1 plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have 1 by 3, 22 by 7, and r squared, common r squared is 6 square h1 plus r, because r cube, out of r cube r square is taken out here. Then 22 by 3 into 7 into 6 into 6, then h1, that is height of the cone is 12 plus 12 by, no, here we cannot take 1 by 3 out. Here we have to take pi r squared out, h1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into r, because r cube is here. Therefore 22 by 7 into r squared is, r is 6 into 6, h1, h is that height 12 by 3 plus 2 by 3 and r is 6. So 22 by 7 into 6 into 6, here this is 4, this is 2, that is we have 4 plus 2 into 2 is 4, that is 8. So we have 22, 6 6 are 36, 36 into 8 is 48, 4, 228, that is 22 into 288 over 7. Now 288 into 22 is 8 2s are 16, 1 carries, 8 2s are 16, 17, 1 carries, 2 2s are 4, 1 is 5, 5 7 6, another 5 7 6, 6 13, 1 carries, 6 plus 7 is 13, 1 carries, 6 3 3 6 divided by 7. Now 6 3 here, which is equal 6 3 3 6 divided by 7, which is equal 9 7s are 63, then add 0, 36 is 5 7s are 36, 1 carries, 10 is 1 7s are 7, 3 and 4, 1 and 4 centimeter cube. Therefore 9045 0.14 centimeter cube of water displaced. Water displaced is volume of water displaced is 905.14 centimeter cube. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.